Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We're looking at SMCI, Super Microcomputer. We're looking for a new entry. We're looking to see where the stock might go, support, resistance. Anything I say during this video is not financial advice. We are just having a look at the chart, the sentiment. Do not follow my trades. Do not follow what I say. That will be a very bad idea. But straight into it, we're looking at SMCI currently trading at $30.59. We're back below support. So the next level of support for SMCI, I would not be surprised to see SMCI move further to the downside to the tune of 26%. Remember, let's take a step back on SMCI. What occurred? There was accumulation, then there was specific levels of resistance that broke, and the resistance broke at $31, then at $31, then it went up to $46. That resistance broke, then it went up to $73, and then it had this sort of blow off top where we came all the way back down. And throughout this move to the downside, we were looking at a level of support being that previous accumulation between $23 was what we were looking at, and that's that box we drew here. We did go a little bit lower to our next level of support, $17. And then we went up into a resistance. Resistance was at $46. It sold off. It came back, tried to test this as support, and unfortunately, it's breaking through. I just want to put a quick disclaimer out there. There's only been one daily candle close below. This could be a fake out. This could be something to. There's a lot of traders trading the stock right now. This could be a fake out where people use this as a stop loss, or they see it breaking support, and then in fact it just it reclaims the support. So do keep a close eye on it. Just because it's broken support doesn't mean it's 100% going down to the next level of support, which was $22. That is the thinking, and when you break a level of support, and that is right. However, you have to keep a close eye on it, and if in the next few days it does reclaim the support, then we are going to be bullish again, and that's when we're going to be looking at that resistance again, $46. If this doesn't reclaim $31 and it stays below $31, the thinking is it is going to be bearish. It might be something like this occur where you go back, test it as resistance, and then you move down. So I would not be surprised to see the stock back at $22. I would not be surprised to see this at $17 or $9. Again, I wouldn't expect it to go as low as $9, but these are all levels of support that we've seen previously. If the market continues the downtrend, then I would like to be buying the stock at $9 and $17. So I would always leave a bit of cash on the side to be able to buy it at those levels. But for now, what's more realistic is maybe a $22 SMCI as the next level of support, and the next level of resistance once you get back above $31 is this main level of resistance that we failed to breach last time. That's $46, and then we can start looking at $73. $46 to $73. Once you break $46, $73 is very key. So a lot of opportunity to trade the stock. Again, if we can look at a few other indicators, the MACD, which shows momentum on the daily, is showing red. So that's and that's increasing the level of red. So you'd think that it's more likely to come down to $22. The RSI is not very bullish; it's in the bearish control zone. So again, you'd say $22 is more likely on that end. We can look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is not oversold, but it's in the bearish control zone, and the MACD is on the red. So again, it's not looking bullish on the short term; it's looking quite bearish. And if you go over to something like the 3-day, more medium term perspective, the bullish momentum is fading away, and the RSI is in towards the bearish control zone. So it is looking a bit bearish. I would imagine $22 might be next on SMCI. If you did enjoy this analysis, do look up here for another video that might take that you might find interesting, and there'll be another one down here for you as well. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.